This quick guide will teach you how to change your phone number on Klaviyo. Whether you're updating your contact information for security reasons or just need to switch to a new number, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Klaviyo and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your account name. Click on it to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. It's crucial to ensure you're in the right area, as this is where you can manage various aspects of your Klaviyo account, including security settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to find the Security tab. This is where you can control how Klaviyo communicates with you regarding security alerts and notifications. It's always a good idea to keep these settings up to date to ensure you receive timely notifications about your account. Now that you're in the security section, look for an option that says Add Method. This is the feature that allows you to set up different ways for Klaviyo to reach you. Click on Add Method and you'll see a selection of notification methods. In this instance, we want to set up SMS notifications, so select Set up SMS notification. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Carefully type in the number you wish to use. Double check that you've entered it correctly, as any mistakes here might prevent you from receiving important security notifications. After entering your new number, follow the on-screen instructions to verify it. This usually involves receiving a text message with a confirmation code, which you'll need to enter back into Klaviyo to complete the verification process. Once your new phone number is verified, it will be added to your account's security settings. This means that any future SMS notifications from Klaviyo will be sent to this new number, ensuring you stay informed about your account activity. And that's it! You've successfully changed your phone number on Klaviyo. Remember, keeping your contact information current is vital for maintaining the security of your account. If you ever need to update your phone number again or add another method of contact, just follow these same steps. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Klaviyo's support team for further assistance. They're there to help you with any concerns you might have. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.